Hey lovely people, Keep On Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got a Walmart Ibotta haul for you today. Let's jump into it, guys. I'm going to show you the rebates that I have not done before first. Then I'm going to show you stuff I've done before, okay? All right, so the first thing that I got was the Dr. Teal's hand soap. Dr. Teal's hand soap. I wanted to try this even though it's kind of pricey in my opinion. $3.98 in my Walmart. There's $1.50 coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $2.48. Now this is the rejuvenating eucalyptus and spearmint essential oils. Let's see. It does have a very clean smell to it. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, it has a very clean smell to it. So, let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried this before. I have not. The next thing that I decided to get, guys, was the Bumble Bee lemon and pepper little tuna pack. Now, this was priced $1 in my Walmart. There's 25 cents coming back from my Ibotta. Final cost 75 cents for the little pack of tuna. The next rebate that I decided to get, guys, was the Scott and John's Shrimp Scampi. This is a frozen dinner in the frozen section. Now, this was on a rollback according to the top sign, but it did not ring up for that, and I didn't catch it, so you know what? I'm not even worrying about it, okay? Because I was paying what I bought in some swag bucks anyway. It actually rang up for $3.88. I didn't catch it. $1.25 back from my Ibotta, making the final cost $2.63. Okay, for the shrimp scampi frozen little dinner, I could always, you know, take it for lunch. All right. The next thing that I got was the Sweet Baby Ray's honey mustard dipping sauce. All right, this was pretty reasonable, I thought. It was priced $1.98 in my Walmart, $1 coming back from my Ibotta. Final cost only 98 cents. Now, I like to use this for the little chicken quesadillas that I make. I like the way this tastes. I think it's pretty tasty. Next rebate, guys, was my Popcorn Indiana, my fudge drizzle popcorn, okay, which is so good. Now, it's priced $2.98. Only got 25 cents back from my Ibotta, making the final cost $2.73. Is it just me, or the value of rebates has drastically went down? Okay, ridiculous. 25 cent, 50 cent. What am I gonna do with that? Look how many rebates I gotta do to get $1. It's crazy. They know exactly what they're doing. Okay. The next rebate I decided to get was my Keebler Chips Deluxe cookies. Okay, now my cookies were priced $2.70, 50 cents coming back from Ibotta, made the final cost $2.20. Okay, yeah. See what I'm saying? Next rebate I decided to get, guys, was my Lala Smoothies. My husband actually drank one, so it's missing a pack or missing a bottle out the pack. They're priced $3.54, 50 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $3.04. See what I'm talking about? It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous, guys. Where's the value? Where is the value? Last thing, guys, I got the extra gum. All right, so the extra gum was $1.18, 25 cents coming back from my Ibotta. Final cost 93 cents. 93 cents. Oh, I got this too. Y'all know every time this rebate comes up, I must get it because this is the greatest stain remover that I use every week in my home, okay? The Draft Laundry Stain Remover. Holla at me, Draft, okay? Now, it is priced $3.97. The dollar coming back from my Ibotta. Final cost $2.97, okay? Yes, guys, that's what I got a little bit of rebates here, a little bit of rebates there. I can't be doing a whole bunch because they ain't giving me a lot of money back. So I got to be strategic with my Ibotta shopping and my Ibotta money. Okay? All right, guys, I hope that was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments below of the video if you guys would like to see a updated stockpile video. I was thinking about it on yesterday about doing an updated stockpile video because I was telling my sister Mary Ann we had went to Sam's Club and I really didn't get a lot of stuff. That's the reason why we didn't do a video, guys. But I was thinking about just, you know, searching my stockpile to show you guys what I do have, what I don't have, what I need to start couponing for, and how that has been because I really haven't been consistently couponing. Yes. So let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a updated stockpile video from moi, Couponing Crystal. All right, guys, have an amazing day. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.